Hello everyone, welcome back to Seamstressed. And the dictionary prompt of the week, the word that came out is headache, right after head, which is boring. And to complete everything, I lost all the footage of me drawing this because my computer decided to format the memory card. And then, I lost half of it. It took me 2 weeks to draw this because I really ran out of ideas. And this is not a thing that I like to do, I just leave projects behind. And that's also not the idea of a prompt. You shouldn't be allowed to have time to think about something, you just should sit down and do it, and that's it. Sometimes I'm scared of what's in my head because, seriously, when you think of headaches, you think of off with their heads. So I made this piece, which is a green cat of the green cat village that just had his head cut off. He stole something he shouldn't have. But he stole it not because he needed it, he stole it because he wanted to have it. So he got a death penalty and he was sentenced to die by decapitation in the guillotine. I try to give this painting a middle-aged feel to it. I really like these old houses and everything, and I thought it would fit the part of the decapitation process. But he's like a chicken. They cut off his head and he didn't die. His head fell off the basket onto the floor, kicked off 3 times and stayed there where it was. That's why there's blood everywhere. And now his body just came down the stairs and searching for his head. His head is giving him instructions of how to find it, like these old cartoons that you used to watch as a kid. Like the head is giving instructions and the body cannot find it. And this is what's happening here. You can see that the head is pretty annoyed by all this situation, and I don't have anything else to say about this. That's it. So enjoy this drawing and my crazy head. I'll try to make something more not so violent in the future, because I can see a pattern forming, like either something sad, something horrible, or something violent going on. I will be gone for 3 weeks on vacation. I'm finally going to visit my family, and I have 3 videos programmed for those 3 weeks, but I will probably not be answering any comments, so don't feel ignored. I will get to them when I'm back. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get all my updates. And I hope you have nice dreams of this headless cat going around town trying to find his head without success. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.